Dustin, how are you feeling today? Yes. Gotta change your diaper soon, but you're so cute and wiggly, so I had to take a little video here. Okay. Yes. Oh, big sneeze.